are at the base of the Twin Falls in Springbrook National Park. Yeah. So I'm here with my friends from the university, and I have Geeta here, and Natalie, Shuri, and Sunny here. You're right. We all are from different countries.
We should all say hello in our
Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah,
In our
I'll give it to you.
language.
In your language.
So we are all from different countries, and yeah, it's so diverse here.
안녕하세요. 저는 이상민이라고 하고요. 제 친구들이랑 다 같이 여기 와가지고 셰리 여기 있고, 빙도 여기 있고, 저도 여기 있고 행복합니다. 좋습니다.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम गीता है. आप कैसे हो? Hello, 你好。我们在 Twin Falls。
Yeah, yeah. Hello. Is it Ni Hao? Ni Hao. Hello.
Where are you from?
I don't cook. I don't clean.
I should have put.
新年快乐 Happy Chinese New Year.
Happy birthday to you. That's alright. So, what do you wish for your birthday?
Yeah, I just
I thought like that was the biggest name.
You go. There's a photographer here. Waiting.
You want it?
Have you done this walk before?
No, not this one. Not this one. I've been here before.
I did.
Yeah, okay, that's good. So,
I feel gassed that we've done it. Well, we can show you around.
yeah, that's good.
Go.